Welcome to the Stoic and Straight YouTube channel, your source for motivational speeches and lessons rooted in Stoic and Straight philosophy. We break down the timeless wisdom of the Stoics into simple, actionable insights for modern life. Our videos cover self-discipline, mental clarity, and emotional resilience, empowering you to live a life of purpose and peace. At the Stoic and Straight, mastering your mindset is key to overcoming life's challenges. Following Stoic principles, you can cultivate inner strength, control emotions, and achieve personal growth. Subscribe to discover daily Stoic lessons, philosophical insights, and motivational content that helps you free adversity with confidence. Join us on the journey to becoming your best self, the Stoic and Straight way.